welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you this Modelones Polygel kit, which Modelones has kindly sent me to review. So this is the two-piece poly nail gel kit. So inside you get your instruction leaflet. You get 2 packs of jewel forms. Now these are the really curved ones. Can you see that? Really curved. They kind of curl down like this. And then you get these as well, which are the ones that I prefer, which are straight. I really like that you get a pack of 2 and you get the choice. Then you've got the slip solution, 100-180 grit file, which is a really sturdy file. Really sturdy, I like that. You get 2 30-gram tubes of Polygel. 005 is clear and 002, which is the soft pink. You get the base coat and the top coat. And their base and top coat is meant to be really good. I've not tried them before, but I've heard a lot of people raving about them, so I can't wait to try them. You get some glitter and you get some gems. They're really pretty, love them. You get your Polygel brush. We'll have a look at that in a minute. You also get, let me get this out of the way, guys. And then you also get a 6-watt mini lamp. Oh, and it's pink as well. Look at that. How cute is that? Oh, I love that. And then you get your USB adapter as well. So all you need is the plug for that, and then you plug that into your mains plug, and then you plug it into there. But I shall show you that once we start using it. So I think today, guys, I'm going to swatch the 2 polygels on swatch sticks. I'm going to use the base coat, top coat, the slip solution, and the brush. Let's have a little look at this brush. So you've got the logo on it. You've got the spatula one end. And on this end, you've got your brush. Oh, they're quite long bristles. But I like how they go to a point at the end. So if you want to get in the corners there, it's ideal. Can't wait to try that. So yeah, I think I'm going to swatch the 2 polygels on swatch sticks today. And then in my next video, guys, I'm going to be doing a whole new set on my nails because, yeah, you can see why. My nails are trashed. I desperately need some new nails on. This is the longest my hands have been without extensions for years and years. I've always had extensions on. So yeah, I think, like I say, I'm going to swatch these today on swatch sticks just so we can take a look at them. And then in my next video, we shall get to do a set with them. And then when I do a set, I shall use the jewel forms and the crystals and the glitter. Yeah, and we'll use it all. So I'm going to get set up and then I shall pop back in a sec. So this is the lamp. Inside here you've got your instruction manual. You've got it in all different languages. And I also like, I've never seen this before. This has actually been checked and certified. Really like that. So you've got your 6 LED lights. Now with these lamps, you can either have it standing on the legs, or like when I'm using my practice hand and I just want to flash cure, I can just hold it over, because when the legs are closed, the legs have got the holes in. So you can still use it like that and just hold it. So this plugs into the back here. And then this end plugs into your mains plug. So let's take a little look at the base coat. It's hardly got any smell to it either. It's actually a really nice consistency. I like that. Oh, it's quite a nice thick base coat. So it's more on the thicker side, but not too thick. It's really, really nice actually. So I'm going to pop these under the lamp. Now with this lamp, guys, you press this button once for a 45-second, or you hold it for 2 seconds and you'll get a 60-second cure. Right, so, yep, fully cured. Leave a nice tacky layer. So I think I'm going to start off with 002 soft pink. I love that colour. Beautiful, beautiful. Nail bed colour. Can't wait to do some nails on myself with this. It's not very often I say that. I usually hate doing my own nails. But this feels really nice to work with. It's not too soft. It's not too hard. Look at that. I really like that. Yeah. Wow. Love that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful colour. Right, so I'm going to give that a quick cure. Now this is the clear 005. That actually looks really clear for Polygel. I'm actually a little bit excited about this, you know, because the design that I want to do on myself has got a little bit of clear block work in the design. Wow. Yeah, I cannot wait to see what this looks like when it's cured. Look at that, guys. Wow. That is clear. Super clear. Yeah, I'm a little bit excited. Right, so that is both of them. Had 2 minutes each in the mini lamp. It does say in the instructions, if you're using what I would call an everyday lamp, a big lamp, this Polygel does cure in 60 seconds, but it does say with these mini 6-watt lamps to cure for 120 seconds, so that's what I did. And yet they are completely cured. I really like them. So I'm just going to give them a quick top coat. It comes in 10ml glass bottles. Not too thick. as you can see, drip. Again, and there's not hardly any smell to that either. I love it when there's hardly any smell to them. Oh, I hate it when they stink. Hate it. Really nice to apply. Brush is really nice as well, really soft. I can't wait to see this clear in a minute when it's got top coat on it. So there we are, guys. That's them all top coated. And that top coat is a non-wipe shiny top coat. It feels like a really nice top coat actually. I shall definitely be putting that on my nails. Give it a go. Look how pretty they are. I love that. I can't wait to use that as a nail bed pink. Really nice colour. But look at this clear, guys. Look how clear this clear is. That is crazy. For Polygel, that is crazy. Not very often Polygel's that clear. That is super, super clear. Pleasantly surprised with that. Usually clear Polygel is quite cloudy, but that is completely clear. Completely clear. That's really shocked me. I love that. Love it. And I love the consistency of it. It's not too soft. It's not too hard. It works really well. I didn't have to keep cleaning my brush because it wasn't sticky. So yeah, I can't wait to do a set on my nails now. So that will be my next video, guys. I'm going to be doing a whole new set on myself. I'm going to be using all the things that come in the set, like the glitter, the crystals. I shall give the file a try. I'm not sure if I'm going to use jewel forms or not yet. I might use one jewel form just to show you guys what they're like. I really want to build my own on paper forms. So I might, like I say, I might do one with jewel forms just to show you guys what the forms are like. And then the rest I'll build on paper forms. So keep your eyes peeled for that one. That'll be out in the next couple of days. As always, I shall leave the link for this in my description box below. That is my personal link to this kit. And you want to grab it while you can, guys, because it's on offer at the moment for £28.61. Like, that is cheap. For everything you get in this kit, remember you get the lamp, 30-gram tubes. They're not 15-gram tubes, they're 30-gram tubes of Polygel. You get the slip solution. You get the top and base coat, which are 10ml glass bottles. You get the jewel forms, 2 packs of jewel forms, and the file. So for £26.81, I think that's a bargain. I think it's an absolute bargain because that is really good quality Polygel. So yeah, I think that's everything, guys. I always feel like I've missed something, and then I stop recording and think, oh, I was meant to say that. But I think that is everything. I think. So if you're interested, remember to hit the link. You'll find it in my description box. You'll also find it in the comments. I want to say a massive, massive thank you to Modelones for sending me this to review. Really am happy with it. It's a really nice Polygel kit. Really nice. So that is everything for this video, guys. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.